Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are well and safe. So students, we have completed our all the syllabus of term 2, and I told you that from next video lecture we will do the revision of our chapter from our chapter number 1. So today we are going to start our revision work. We will do the revision from chapter 1. Okay, so don't worry about this that this chapter will come in your term 2 or not. We are doing this revision for clear your concept. Okay, no matter it will come in your term 2 or not, but it will also come in your next standard. Okay, so we need to revise our chapters, our whole book again. Okay, so don't worry that why we are revising this chapter, because it is not a part of our term 2 exam. Okay, and because I told you that all the things and all the topics will come in your next standard, so we need to revise this chapter and concept, which will help you in your next standard. Okay, when 2 or 3 months you will go in your fifth standard, so you will again read these topic again in your first chapter of fifth standard. Okay, so let's start our revision. You need to revise it carefully. Okay beta. So in this chapter, what is our chapter? India location, its neighbors. India location and its neighbor. In this chapter, what did you learn? You learned about the location of India according the continent, according the part of the continent, and also the latitudinal or uh, longitudinal direction of India. And in this chapter you also learned about the different relief features of India. Relief features means many physical features of India. Okay, and you learned that India is divided into many states and union territories. So let's revise this chapter again. What is given in this chapter and what did you learn? You learned that India form part of South Asia and is separated from it by the Himalayas. You learn in this chapter that India is a part of which continent? Asian continent. We have 7 continents in the world and Asia is the largest continent. Okay, and our country is a part of Asian continent. It is the southernmost part of Asia. Okay, and it is separated by the Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas separated it with the northern part of Asia. It has varied relief features consisting of mountains, plains, plateaus, islands, etc. Okay, so varied relief features means different types of physical division. India has a variety in physical division. Also it has mountain, plains, plateau, land, coastal plains, etc. Okay, and India is the 7th largest country in the world. New Delhi is its capital. India is a 7th largest country in the world and New Delhi is its capital. And about the location, you learned that its main extent, the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitude. Okay, I told you in the video classes that on our globe we have 2 types of imaginary line. You will read about the imaginary line in 5th standard. So I'm going to tell you about these 2 lines, that we have 2 types of imaginary line. First, this which run from west. Okay, this is known as the latitude. Okay, and second line we have this which run from north to south. This line is called longitude. Okay, so according to these lines, these imaginary lines, we have a location of India. Okay, our India is located on 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड. इट मीन्स इंडिया की लोकेशन नॉर्थ में ही लैटिट्यूड के हिसाब से नॉर्थ में स्टार्ट होकर नॉर्थ में ही ख़त्म हो रही है. ओके, 8 डिग्री 4 नॉर्थ इट इज़ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंडिया इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 8 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू and on the 37 degree 6 north. Okay, this is called the latitudinal direction of India. See here in this map, see, you can see clearly here that what is the latitudinal direction of India and longitudinal direction of India. See, we have two types of line here. These lines are latitudes, okay, and these purple lines are longitudes. Okay, so see what is the latitudinal direction of India. See, from here, this line, this green line, see, I am again using another color. See, now I am drawing this purple line. This is on 8 degree latitude, 8 degree 4 north latitude. India is starting from here, 8 degree north latitude. Okay, this point is on 8 degree 4 north latitude, and it go on upside and end on this point. Okay, and this latitude is 37 degree 6 north. So latitudinal direction of India is 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. Okay, now the longitudinal extent of India is from 68, see 68, it is here 68 here. This longitude is on 68.7 east, and this longitudinal line is on 97 degree 25 east. Okay, so this is the longitudinal direction of India. The longitudinal direction of India or extent of India is from 68 degree 7 east to 68 degree 7, see here 68 degree 7 east. Okay, and this line is on 97 degree 25 east. Okay, so you have to clear about the latitude and longitude. Okay, this topic will also come in your 5th standard. So this is the direction of India. Its mainland extend from 8 degree, from here 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north latitude, and its longitudinal extent is from 68.7 degree east to 97 degree 25 east. Okay, and you also learned that in this chapter the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, dividing it into two halves. India lies in the northern hemisphere. See, this is the Tropic of Cancer. It is also our Tropic of Cancer is a imaginary line which is called latitude. It is on 23.5 degree north. Okay, Tropic of Cancer is in 23.5 degree north. It is the 23.5 degree north latitude. So this latitude, which is known as the Tropic of Cancer, divided our country into two parts. The upper part is called North India and the southern part is called South India. Okay, and in your textbook is given that India lies in the northern hemisphere. Now see how India lies in the northern hemisphere. I told you, suppose this is our earth. I told you one imaginary line which is on the 0 degree, known as the 0 degree latitude, which run from east to west, divided our earth into two parts. The north of 0 degree latitude is called northern hemisphere and the south of 0 degree latitude is called the southern hemisphere. And our country, our India, is located in the northern hemisphere. How? See, we have our direction of India on the globe is like this. This is the direction of India. So the direction of India is on the north of 0 degree latitude. Okay, so India comes in the northern hemisphere. Okay, now in this chapter you will also you have also learned that India has many relief features. Okay, what did you learn? You learned that the India is called a peninsula. See here in next page. On the next page, what is given here? Relief. India is called a peninsula as it is surrounded by water on three sides. India is called peninsula because it is surrounded by water on three sides. It has water on three sides. In the south, India has water on three sides. See, this is the location of India. This is our India. Okay, and India has water on three sides. Here is Arabian Sea. Okay, here is Indian Ocean and here is Bay of Bengal. So India is surrounded by water on three sides. In the north, India is surrounded by water on three sides. That is why it is also known as the peninsula, because any land which is surrounded by water on three sides and it has a big land mass on the fourth side, okay, known as the peninsula. That is why India is called peninsula. The Arabian Sea lies to the west. Now, where is Arabian Sea? Arabian Sea in the west, okay, and the Bay of Bengal to the east of India, and the Indian Ocean to the south of peninsular land. Okay, here is our Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is in south. Okay, and you learned that this is here is a Kanyakumari, and on the point of Kanyakumari, three water bodies, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal meet. Okay, and in this chapter you also learned that the northern that India has different type of physical divisions. Okay, so India has different type of physical division, which are the northern mountains, the great northern plains, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains and islands, and the western desert also. So about these physical relief we will do the revision in our next video lecture, students. So you need to read the location of India. Okay, in your homework you have to show the location of India on the map. Okay, I will give you image of the map, how you have to locate the location of India according to latitude and longitude. Okay, so now everyone take care, goodbye, and read again this chapter in homework.